Sometime here, kids and I, we picked up this can of Mr. Gouda's Ninth Symphony 9-bean mix. But we got a little bit of a mystery to solve there. You can see some of the singing beans on the front there. It says, "Get ready to listen." You can see various beans doing things there, playing, singing and playing, guitar and other things there. But then over here, this guy's saying, "Eat and music will follow." Well, we ate the whole can of Ninth Symphony beans, but we haven't heard any symphony orchestra so far. So, could somebody please explain to us what's going on here? What's the deal with this Mr. Gouda's Ninth Symphony? If you eat it, music will follow. Anyway, sometime here, we'll catch you later.